One of my favorite looks for the Christmas time every year is this Sugar Plum Ice Princess makeup. It's really easy to do. I just simply use any white sparkly eyeshadow that I have and I place it all over my entire lid. I like to go into the inner corner as well just to really make my eyes pop. Then next what I like to do is take more of a bronzy gray shade and go in my outer corner just to kind of give it a smoky look. Then I just take any cheap white eyeliner pencil that I have. I think this one is from NYX, and I line my whole waterline. Then I just go in with some mascara, a simple neutral lip color with some very sparkly lip gloss. After that, you're gonna take the same eyeshadow you used on your eyes and put it all over your lips, but make sure to buff it in. And this is what really brings the whole look together and gives you that fairy ice princess look. It's one of my favorite hacks to do for the holidays. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you guys tried this look yourselves.